So guys, this is the head I'll be using today. It's part of the Noble Gold collection. This is the Miracle Vigorous product. It says the quality can be compared to human hair. This is how the curl pattern comes in. It's 6 pieces in one pack, so this is a value pack. Just one pack will be enough for a full head. It's a quick weave. We'll be using a bonding glue. Of course, you can't make a wig without having a scissors around, so here's our scissors. Our mannequin head is already here, and I'm using a stocking cap today. This is an old stocking cap that I had lying somewhere, and I felt like reusing it. That's why it's looking messy, right? So now that the net has been sewn on the cap, this is how it looks. With stocking caps, you can't cut the net inside. It's going to be very, very loose, and when you wear it, your wig might fall off. So I just like to sew it on top of it because I'm going to sew the weft around it, so all these are not going to show. Okay, we're going to leave it like this. Alright, so here is the wig done, semi-done. This is the back. Everything is laying flat, you can see it. So this is going to be my side part. I'm attempting to do the ventilation method with a closure. I don't know how it's going to turn, but let's see how it goes. So far I like how the wig turned. The hair is soft and everything is okay. So I have a smaller piece here. I'm going to use it as demonstration. And this is my latch hook. The pin is very small compared to the normal crochet pins that I've been using in my tutorial. This one is very short. I'm going to cut the weft away. Like so. I'm going to fluff this side off to remove any unwanted hair. Now while I'm left with this, I'm going to try to like open it up a little bit and folding it around my arms, making sure that both sides are equal. So let me zoom in. Okay. So we'll be picking the net to be 1 or 2. This is just 1 net. And try to pick some hair on it, like so. Close the latch and then pull it through and make another knot. The hair is so good. Okay, that's not bad. Let's try it one more time. Pass the latch hook through a net. 2 or 3 holes will be enough. Try and get some hair on the latch. Close it, pull it through, and try. So this is what I have so far. I forgot about this mess, but so far this is what I have, and I think it's okay. I'm going to continue to finish the rest of the hair and I'll get back to you once I'm done. Now she is done, and this is how the wig cap turned out. I like it very much, and the hair is so soft. I can see that the closure that I did this side, it's kind of fluffy, so maybe I'm going to attempt to curl it with perm rod and dip them in hot water and see if I'm going to get the same curl pattern as this one. But all the same, aside that, everything is nice. I like how the wig turned. This is the back. The hair is very soft. I wish it doesn't tangle or get hard compared to other canicolon hair. So yeah, this is it, and this is the closure. I did a ventilation method with the closure, and I used a little bit of concealer here in order to match my skin color. So that'll be all for today's tutorial. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before leaving, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos that I upload. And I'll catch you guys all in my next tutorial. Bye.